Hello, back again. I'm just changing the oil in the gearbox of this sprinter, and oh my, look at that, that's the plug. I'll turn it, see if I can turn you on and get a better view. Oh my, it's full. Jeez, I'll put it in the sun, I'll put that in the sun. I'm trying to get a good shot. It's full of iron filings. My God, I should have done it before this. Oh, there's my neck. So, last job before MOT. I'm going to change the oil in the gearbox, manual gearbox, and it's just there, and make sure that the filler plug will come undone, and I'm putting it there, I'm turning it that way, so I want to take it out that way. Make sure it's, oh you fucker, that's nice and tight, isn't it? So I just tap it with a hammer. How can I say? A bit closer. Come a bit. My camera skills aren't that good. My mechanic skills aren't that good. But at least I'm trying. Right. Yeah, now that's that wasn't in ready for you either, was it? Well, at least I know I can get that out. I'll put that over there. And now I'll see about getting it bottom on loose. That's it. There's a gadget. I can't see, what is it? 14mm and a 17mm. It was just in me words, so it said. Oh hell, that wasn't tight at all. That wasn't very tight. So what am I doing? This camera mirror, it doubles the time. In my case, triples it. I'll get a focus. Ready. Apparently it's 1.9 litres in here. I wonder if I can. That's it. Wow. I'll let that drip. I'll have a look at the back of this plug. Oh my. I'll take the outside. Well, welcome back everybody. This is my last step, hopefully. My 10-step challenge of getting my old Sprinter van so it's MOT before I can start the camper van conversion on it. Well, not camper van, but interior installation and all the windows and everything. But I just took the plug out the gearbox. Oh my. The plug out the gearbox. Oh. It has done about, I think it's on about, I can't remember what the mileage is, 230,000 or something. Look at that. Because there's a magnet inside. I can see if you can see it. Right, I'll clean that up. I should get a better stand. I've seen everyone. Seen a magnet. Nope. See how much. There's a tiny bit of muck in there and all. I have to have a look at the mileage. I can't remember what it was. 200 and something thousand. It was quite a bit. Oh my. The muck in this. How do you get that off there? I think I'm watch YouTube how to take iron filings off a magnet. It's just coming. Get a corner. It's like a challenge, isn't it, to get every bit off. I didn't present justice. I wasn't any good at that either. That's what I can do. Put a compressor on and give it a blast with air. So there was quite a bit, wasn't there? Geez, right. If it's never been changed, 12 year old, 14-year-old van, it is 12 plate, 24 now. Nearly. That's good enough for me. It's got some sort of paste on it, wasn't tight, so I just nip it up a little bit more and hopefully not crack it like I did the sump. But so I've got a checkerboard at the back end of the wheel, and I've got it on a little ramp just to get the van as level as I can. Oh my, Yes, plugs not too bad. And that's the oil I've been recommended to get. And that's the part number. I'll take this out a bit. Oh, yeah, man. See, I kind of do now, mate. What's the point in putting it in a bucket when I've just spilled it? Oh, I love me hammer. I love me the drive. I'll clean that up there. Yes, I'll put that plug back in. Let's see if I snap it this time. I'll just give that a quick wipe and inspect. Just here's me. Where's me socket? Get it on, then you got your cheese mix. I do, mate. That's just a little bit, a full turn more than what it was. Sure. Now this is the tedious part, because I haven't got a machine to put the oil in, and the holes will be up there. What I'm going to have to do is use one of my syringes. So I put that oil next to me tyre so it doesn't fall over. And I've got one of my syringes that I have to use for feeding myself. Yes, that's what I've got to use. I've got to attach that to my tummy. So what I'll do, I'll just soak that up. And just pump it in there. Right. So I'm going to have to do this quite a few times. See if I can get myself comfortable. I've got a nice little kneeling pad and cushion. Oh, that's neat good. I'm just under the hole. Ooh. To the middle a bit. Right. watching. It's taken. Oh, it's going to be a little bit of this, isn't it? So I think I'll just show you this one, and then I'll not bother recording the rest of it. Yeah. Well, come on, hit the phone, Mick. Right now, so that's what I'm going to have to do. Because I'm not prepared to pay £30 for a syringe. Just to change the oil. Once or twice in its lifetime, then I've got the van. So that'll be it for now. Bye for now. Oh. Where's this switch? Yeah. So I've turned around so I'm a bit more comfortable. Right. I'll put that there. You keep turning around to fill it. Because I'm going to be here. It only does 60 mil. But I'm sure I can get into a bit of a rhythm by the time I put the two of them in. There we go. We have saved a little bit of money by not buying the machine. It is a little bit more time, but here you go. I should have bought one because by the time it's going to take us a couple of hours to do this. Yeah. Oh, I'm getting into a bit of a rhythm now. Better if it's up on the van, eh? But you get the idea. Bye for now. So this is the last couple of the second bottle. Should only be 2 or 3 left. I don't want to be spilling it. So I'm just pumping in. Let's see. Oh, it's starting to drip in. Oh, that's my camera buggered. Well, it's starting to drip. See the point in putting any more in. I was just that much left in the bottom, so I've wasted a little bit, but put your cloth there and just make sure she's full. That's it. Plug. That's it. Where's that? And that's it. So, less than an hour, and I think that will do the engine, the gearbox, a world of good. So I've put the oil out of there into them, and that's about where it was. Look where that one is. It's about 500 short, and there's quite a few filings in there. So I won't be waiting again this long to change the oil. Right, that's it. That's the gearbox oil changed. So now I can take it to the garage and see about getting the MOT. And hopefully, fingers crossed, third time lucky, she passes. I don't know what else I can do, but 10 points. I've got rid of the sharp bits, the rust, the dents, the engine. I have 2 new injectors, split the intake manifold down, cleaned it and everything. Full brake system, looked at. Let's see if we will pass this time. Bye for now.